Hello. Today we're going to do a very practical question on temperatures. When we are talking about temperatures, we need often to talk about negative numbers. That's when the temperatures are below 0 degrees Celsius, and that's when it becomes very cold. Now though, we're going to a very warm place. Here are the hills, and here is the bay. So now we're going to compare the temperatures between the hills and the bay. The difference in temperature between these two places is 5 degrees Celsius. In the hills, it is 32 degrees Celsius. Write the possible temperatures for the bay. Right, so let's first write down the temperature in the hills, 32 degrees Celsius. Now, when we're talking about the difference being 5 degrees Celsius, it means that it's either 5 degrees warmer or 5 degrees cooler. This means we either add 5 degrees or subtract 5 degrees. 32 plus 5 is 37. 32 minus 5 is 27, so we get the two possible temperatures for the bay, 37 degrees Celsius and 27 degrees Celsius. Let's now move to a far colder place. Here we have the hills and the bay, but now the temperatures are much, much lower. Let's now look at a different question. The difference in temperatures between these two places is 5 degrees Celsius. In the hills, it is 2 degrees Celsius. Write the possible temperatures for the bay. So once again, let's write down the temperature in the hills. Now, the difference in temperatures is 5 degrees Celsius, so it's either 5 degrees warmer or 5 degrees cooler. We add 5 degrees or subtract 5 degrees. 2 plus 5 is 7. 2 minus 5 is, perhaps you already know the answer, but let's use a number line to make sure we have the correct answer. Let's use a number line. Here the positive numbers go up and the negative numbers go down. We start at 2 and subtract 5, so we go down 5 in our number line. There we are, and we finish at -3. So 2 minus 5 is -3. When we subtract, we go down. When we add, we go up. And this is a clear way of getting the correct answer. So, our final answer is -3, but we normally say -3 degrees Celsius. Let's now try an examination question. The difference in temperature between two villages is 8 degrees Celsius. The temperature in one of the villages is 4 degrees Celsius. Write the two possible temperatures for the other village. Okay, so the first village is 4 degrees. There's a difference of 8 degrees, so we either add 8 or subtract 8. 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 minus 8 is, perhaps you already know, but let's try a number line to make sure we have the correct answer. So we draw our number line. We'll start with 4 at the top. So, counting down 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we're at -4. So 4 minus 8 is -4. However, you must be careful to write your answer as a temperature, because the question is asking for possible temperatures. So don't just leave it as 12 and -4. Write out 12 degrees Celsius and -4 degrees Celsius, although of course we would normally say -4 degrees Celsius. Thank you for listening, goodbye and good luck.